Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we are going to change the air filter on this 2010 Hyundai. So this is the engine air filter. Alright, so this has tabs to release. You just pop these tabs open, and there's 4 of them. Pop them open, lift this up, take the old air filter out. That's what it looks like. Looks exactly the same as the one that I just ordered, and it's not really dirty, but you know, I'm gonna replace it anyway. So let's just pop that in, make sure everything's in, it'll seat nicely, and then push the clips back over top. Make sure you get all 4. Alright, so that's it. That's an air filter. How long did that take you? You didn't even need a tool. And how much would they charge at the dealership to change one of these? A lot of money. You can get these really cheap off of Rock Auto or at your local parts stores. All right? Anyway, thanks for watching.